This is the ultimate relaxing mobile game. Craft World is a casual resource management factory simulator game available on PC, Android, and iOS. Assist your dino companions in collecting the resources they need to survive in a broken world and ultimately escape it. The game focuses on 4 different base elements, being fire, water, air, and earth. But there's no reason to worry about air because that resource won't be implemented until some point in the future. When you first enter the game, you'll only have access to the base element Earth. But as you collect resources, you'll begin earning experience, leveling up, and unlocking new areas. Each new area you unlock will allow you to refine your resources to create even stronger materials. These materials will allow you to upgrade your buildings, increasing their output and overall efficiency. Continue this process and you'll begin unlocking new areas and new materials, and before you know it, you'll begin managing an entire factory of resource refinement. At level 11, you'll even unlock a brand new land plot, which will allow you to build additional refinement stations for any resource you might be lacking in. Eventually, you'll unlock even more land plots for the water and fire resource. Although you won't be able to harvest the base element of water or fire unless you own a Dino NFT of that specific type. But if you don't, all hope is not lost. There is a thriving in-game economy where you can sell or buy any resource you might need using a currency called Dino Coin. So if you want to progress down the water-based factory line, all you have to do is head to the marketplace and sell a resource you are abundant in, then use that Dino Coin to buy the base element water. Then you can begin building water-based refinement centers and progress down this resource chain. Ultimately, the goal of the game is to work together with your neighboring dino factories in contributing resources into group-based milestones. And of course, to climb the leaderboards and unlock exciting rewards. Once you get started with Craft World, it is hard to put it down, which is perfect because it's available for essentially every device. You don't even need to download the app. To get started, head to AngryDynamitesLab.com. And my friends, I will see you in the next one.